In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove powered by Systeme.io. If you want your funnel page to look cleaner and more branded, removing the Systeme.io badge can help give it a more polished appearance. I'll walk you through exactly where to find that setting inside your funnel page editor so you can update it quickly and confidently. To get started, log into your Systeme.io account and go to your dashboard. This is the main area where you manage your assets, including pages, funnels, and site-related settings. Once you're on the dashboard, look for the Sites section and click on it. This is where Systeme.io groups together the tools related to your web pages and online presence. From there, click on Sales Funnels. That will open the list of funnels currently available in your account. Find the funnel where you want to remove the Powered by Systeme.io badge and click on that specific funnel to open it. After the funnel opens, locate the page or step you want to edit, then click Edit Page. This will launch the page editor where you can control the design and configuration settings for that funnel page. Inside the editor, click on Settings. This is a section where you'll find page-level options that affect how the page behaves and what extra elements are displayed. Now, on the left-hand settings panel, scroll all the way down to the very bottom until you reach the Affiliate section. Take your time here because this option is near the bottom and can be easy to miss if you scroll too quickly. When you reach that section, look for the checkbox labeled Display, Powered by Systeme.io badge. To remove the badge from your page, simply uncheck that box. That's the setting responsible for showing the branding at the bottom of the page. One important thing to keep in mind, if the checkbox is grayed out or won't let you uncheck it, that means your account is currently on the free plan. In that case, the option isn't available unless you upgrade to a paid plan that allows you to remove the branding. After changing the setting, make sure your page is properly saved if needed, then preview the page to confirm the badge is gone. It's always a good idea to double check the live results so you know the change was applied successfully. And that's it. That's how to remove Powered by Systeme.io from your funnel page.